Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect the Verizon remote to TV. First, make sure your Verizon Fios TV box and TV are powered on and properly connected with HDMI so the screen is showing normally. Now point your Fios voice remote directly at the Fios TV1 or Fios TV1 mini device you want to pair with. Stay within a short distance so the signal is strong. Next, press and hold the play or pause button and the O button together at the same time. Keep holding both buttons firmly. After a few seconds, you will see a blue light start flashing on the remote. This means the pairing process has started. Now release both buttons and wait patiently. Do not press anything while it is connecting. When the blue light stops flashing and becomes stable or turns off, your remote is successfully connected to the Fios TV box. Now test basic functions like volume channel change and navigation to confirm everything is working correctly. If you also want your remote to control your TV settings like volume, power, or audio system, go to the TV menu using the remote. Then open settings from the menu screen. Now go to voice control and select Fios TV voice remote. Then click program voice remote. Select automatic setup first because it is the easiest method and works for most TVs. Wait while the system detects your TV brand and configures the remote automatically. When done, a success message will appear on the screen. If automatic setup fails, go back and select manual setup instead. Now choose your TV brand and model from the list carefully. This step is important because the wrong model may stop some functions from working. Follow the on-screen instructions until the system confirms successful setup. If your previous remote is still connected or causing issues, you may need to unpair it first. To do this, go to the Fios TV Plus device and press and hold the button on the top of the device for about 15 seconds until the menu appears on screen. Now use the same button to scroll and highlight Unpair Remote. Then press and hold the button again for about 3 seconds to confirm. Once unpaired, the system will automatically prompt you to pair your new remote again. Finally, test all functions again, including power, volume, and navigation to make sure everything is fully working. And that's how you can properly connect and set up a Verizon Fios remote with your TV. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.